Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman with How To Video Channel here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove stamps from your envelope or anywhere else you may have stuck them. Now this tip comes to us from Kendra Hips. She saw a previous stamp video we did and commented with a new method or another method, and it is using lighter fluid. Now she didn't specify whether it was like Rossnol lighter fluid for like refillable lighters or if it is charcoal type lighter fluid. So in assumation, we are going to use the charcoal lighter fluid because that's typically more readily available, and most people say lighter fluid. This is usually what they mean. So she said simply soak them in lighter fluid and the stamps should peel right off. So we're going to get a little lighter fluid right there, cover that up, throw in a few stamps, and we're going to see. She said it was going to be pretty quick. You can check out the comment in the screenshot, and then also in this card you can see the other video and find the comment there. So we got a little lighter fluid. The time wasn't specified, although it was supposed to be pretty quick. So we're going to give it a couple minutes and then see what happens. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes since we've had these stamps soaking in the lighter fluid. So what I'm going to do is grab one of them and see if they peel off. Okay, look at this. Alright, 5 minutes, that's the ticket, and then according to the tip, it would still be a little gummy so that it would adhere right to your book, and it is. It's very slippery and gummy, so you could stick them now right in a stamp book, provided you don't mind that lighter fluid being on there. That's my only concern, was that now the stamps would have lighter fluid on them, but I suppose you could rinse them off. But look at that, they peel, no problem, no issues at all. Keep that away from any candles. That is it. That is how you can simply, quickly, and easily remove postage stamps from envelopes, paper, wherever they may have stuck, using lighter fluid in less than 5 minutes. That is a wonderful tip. Thank you for that. If you guys have any comments, questions, suggestions, please leave them below. Also, hit that like button, show your support for the channel, and subscribe. And if you do, please comment saying you subscribed. So again, any questions, comments, concerns, put them down below. And as always, subscribe, stay tuned for future updates and more videos. Thank you.